Tap Dancers, it's Charon Tap Star with #1 Hoofer, here to help you surpass your personal best. Alright you guys, we're just going to do basic warm-up. If you want to, you can do this before you do the little tutorials. You can follow along so I'm not breaking anything down, okay? Alright, let's start with shuffle. Let's start with these. 1, 2, 3, no faster. 1, 2, 3, and. This board is so nice and loud. I love it. I don't even have to put much force. 3. Good. I'm going to turn around and face the back. You stay where you are. Add a heel. Collapse. Give me a double heel. Okay? On the transition. Double heel. Double heel. Step, step, heel, heel. Double time. Single time. Reverse. 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 Good job, you guys. All right, let's do what do I want to do? One, two, here we go. Excellent. All right, let's have hit again. Last time. Hit. Big. Excellent. Beats down. Proud of you guys. All right, good. Let me have double shuffle. Okay, and slurp out of it. If you need to slap or flap, then just do a basic flap, or you can slurp. I'll flap just for now, okay? 1, 2, here we go. I lied. That's slurping. Now slurp. guys, good. Give me this. Come with me. Come on. Join me. All right, good. So I want you to give me, start with this one first, and you're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Okay? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, ready, and. If you aren't warmed up by now, then hey, do the next one when I post it, okay? So I'll be putting more little more warm-ups later throughout the year with different steps or whatever. I'll be freestyling, so who knows what's going to come out. But I love you so much, okay? Go do some of the advanced tutorials. I have mini combos, and then I just have drills. And I love you, okay? Charon Tap Star out. Number 1 Hoofers, let's go! Love you guys. See you later. See you next week. Remember, no one starts at number 1. You have to work for it. Number 1 Hoofers, let's go! Show your appreciation. Like this video now.